Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Okay, so syempre magpapakilala po tayo ng konti sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala. Very, very brief lang. 3 minutes. Give me 3 minutes. Okay? Yan. And of course, bago ko makalimutan, dahil lagi ko po nakakalimutan ang mag-record. Ayan. At salamat, Ma'am Pinky, at lagi mong kino-cover ang ating info session or business presentation. Ayan. Okay, so record. Ayan.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yay! Hindi ko siya nakalimutan ngayon. Okay, so umpisa na po tayo. Let's dive in. Ayan. From the top. Okay. So ako po ang inyong presenter for tonight, Maria Jeanette Sajonas. Taga Pangasinan po ako. I built my career in Baguio City. So trabaho po tayo, no, in the corporate world as a telephone operator. Yan. Sa isang telecommunication company sa Baguio City. Familiar? PLTEL, PLDT, andun po ako way back when. So meron po tayong background sa corporate world. Also as a customer service representative, nang inabsorb kami ng PLDT. So from telephone operator, naging customer service representative po tayo, particularly sa billing section, no? And of course, nag-venture din tayo in broadcasting. So meron tayong background as a TV host. I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, Sky Cable Baguio. So basically, ayan, pinopromote din po natin yung mga bagong technology, and the title of my program before was Techno Trends. So more on technology then. And since I am a single mom for like more than 2 decades, no, 20 years, no. So during the time, syempre, palalakahin mo yung mga bata, apat yan. The time na nagkasakit siya, talagang nasa id tayo financially. That's where I decided to come here in Canada. So from sales and marketing, nag-shift tayo to healthcare industry. It is not my comfort zone, pero wala tayong choice eh. There are, fees to pay. Ayan. So kaya po ako andito ngayon. Now, I am working with seniors, so as a part of the recreation. At the same time, nagwo-one-on-one din po tayo. So, may mga personal client po tayo. So, andito na rin yung mga bata para ikat natin yung story. No? Pero, yung beginnings natin dito sa Canada, ang hirap. Talagang umiiyak ako kasi from sales to marketing, tapos na-shift ka sa isang industriya na hindi ka familiar. Ang hirap. But then, I have no choice back then. So, tapos na po tayo. We have to love what we do, di ba? So, I fell in love na rin dito. And ang daming realization working with seniors. So, naging comfort zone na rin natin to. Yan. And I entertain seniors. And at the same time, I am a Reiki practitioner. So, nagagamit ko yung pagiging Reiki practitioner ko because it deals more with the energy healing, no touch, pwedeng distance healing. Kaya ngayon, hindi nyo alam, kayo ay nakakatanggap na ng positivity and also Reiki healing, no? Just merely transferring energy because energy is everywhere. Yan. And I am in platinum rank. Siyempre, nasa Live Good po tayo. I'm doing it part-time but with full-time attitude. So, hindi ko pa maiwanan ang aking mga clients kasi I have a soft spot sa mga seniors dahil ako po ay isang lolos girl and lolas girl. Kaya yun yung, I have a strong connection sa mga seniors. So the good news is self-employed na po ako, hindi na po employed. So andun na po tayo sa, second part ng quadrants. No? Yan. So, and I'm doing it, and I'm here with Live Good, a platinum rank, doing it part-time but with full-time attitude. And bakit ako nag-venture sa Live Good? Well, it is high time to work on my retirement income, which is yun ang pag-uusapan natin later. And, syempre, ang motherhood, lifetime career yan eh. 24/7, walang overtime and lifetime career yan. So, I also want to build my legacy for my family. Plus, I also want to create value sa buhay ng iba. So, congratulations because right here, right now, this more than 200 people dito sa Zoom and of course, dyan sa FB Live, I would like to say that you are in the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person for this company? Will you be the right person for this opportunity? Malalaman po natin yan later on. So just like I said, I would like to talk about the subscription economy. Ano nga ba yan, Janet, yung subscription economy? Kanina mo pa binabanggit yan. Well, actually, it is a model, no? The fastest growing model in the marketplace today. Yun actually ang inaay ng mga business owners. And at the same time, the marketplace itself, no? Because ngayon, ang mga consumers, they are already wise, no? So, dahil sa inflation, sa economy, consumers are moving away from expensive products. They are moving towards affordability and value. So right now, the subscription economy or the subscription model, we're in talagang win-win for the business owners and for the consumers. Yun ngayon ang tinatap ng mga business owners. And at the same time, yung marketplace. Dahil ang daming advantages niya. Pwede kang mag-save, pwede kang, ang tawag nito, yung sustainability, long-term siya, at saka very flexible. So, napakaganda. And right now, I would like to tell you that this company that I will be talking about is napakagandang company because it tops, naka-infuse ang itong subscription model na to, no? Okay, so let's start. Ayan. Oh, sorry. Ayan. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang company na ang pangalan ay Live Good. And Live Good actually is a company that created the greatest disruption ever in the history of network marketing or multi-level marketing. Yan. O, teka lang. Na-allergic ba kayo sa binanggit kong term? Wait lang, because right now you will be seeing this company in a different light, in a different picture, because you will hear a new way of introducing this industry because of its model. So welcome to Live Good, the membership that pays. Ayan. Okay, so grabe yung ating introduction. Live Good, the membership that pays. Yan. So bakit ganun ang sinabi mo, Janet? The membership that pays. Ngayon, para mas maintindihan nyo yan, bibigyan po natin kayo ng konting background sa mga popular memberships na andito na in the market. Number 1, we have Amazon Prime. Sino sa inyo ang hindi nakakakilala kay Amazon? Si Amazon, nag-start siya way back. No? Ngayon, nasa subscription, na rin siya, business model, no? Yan, wherein you pay $14.99. I'm a member. I'm a member of Amazon Prime, no? I pay $14.99, and of course, ano ang nagagawa ni Amazon? Well, it is a platform na nakikita nyo, andyan yung gusto mong halos lahat, no? Ng gusto mong bilhin, andyan. Mamaya makikita nyo lalo because we will be diving in deeper with Amazon. No? Yan. Si Netflix, isang popular membership. It's also a disruptor. Dinisrupt niya ang cinema. May nanonood pa ba sa sinehan ngayon? Sige nga, kayo po. Nanonood pa po ba? Or nakasubscribe kayo sa Netflix because it offers wide variety of movies na ang babayaran mo lang $9.99 per month. And then, ang dami mong mapapanood ng mga different movies kahit pa yung nakaraan. And mind you, alam nyo ba na ang mga producers ngayon and filmmakers are also collaborating with Netflix para mailagay yung kanilang movie sa Netflix. Yan, okay? So, Sam's Club and Costco, a membership club, no? Wholesale club, dyan sa Pilipinas, ang kagaya niyan is SNR, wherein we get to enjoy the benefits of having huge discount. No? Ako, nai-enjoy ko talaga ang Costco ko. And ilang years na ako member dyan since I started being here in Canada like 2014. So mga 9 to 10 years, and I'm not giving up on my Costco. Bakit? I get the benefit. No? Na-enjoy ko yung huge discount. One product alone, experience, bawi ko na 50% pa lang, di ba? Yan. So sabi ni Ma'am Eden, no time daw para manood ng Netflix. Yan. Okay. So Disney Plus, kagaya din ng Netflix yan, no? Wherein nag-offer siya ng wide variety of movies produced by Disney Productions naman, no? Si Disney Plus. So similar sa Netflix, ang pagkakaiba lang ni Disney Plus is ang pinapakita lang dyan are those produced by Disney Productions, no? So kung makikita ninyo, ano ang common denominator ng mga binanggit natin? We paid monthly or yearly. So very flexible. Monthly or yearly, meron yung cancel anytime. And the good news is, ilang members, dito nyo makikita na very popular at saka hindi lang siya popular. Tignan nyo ang mga members, no? 200 million members, 240 million members, 70 million members, 123 million members, 150 million members. So memberships, companies, no? Tignan nyo. This figures speaks volume. Ibig sabihin lang nito that membership is on upward trajectory. So meaning, ito na po ngayon. Ito na po ang future of commerce, no? Kaya po naman, ang ating company Live Good ay nakita niya na ito ngayon ang hindi lang trending, ito ngayon ang future. So dapat i-infuse natin ito sa company dito sa ating multi-level marketing. Okay, so it created the greatest disruption dahil kakaiba. Live Good is the first company that offered a membership club model. A membership model. No? Yan. Okay, so doon sa mga binanggit natin, Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, Disney Channel, and all other membership na makikita nyo dyan sa App Store nyo. Yes, we have benefits. Yes, we have discounts. Yes, we have probably exclusivities. Pero it does not, or they don't pay us. But with Live Good, It is the membership that pays. It pays us. It will pay you and me. Okay? Paano yan, Janet? Di ba nag-member na? Sabi mo, may discount pag may membership, may benefits, pero babayaran pa rin kami. Oh, yes. Babayaran po tayo ng Live Good. Paano? Yan. Abangan. Okay. So, yun po ang pagkakaiba, no? Our edge. Bakit tayo angat sa ibang mga membership? Actually, pilit po tayong ginagaya, pero, naku po, iba ang strength ng Live Good, no? Yan. So, para mas maintindihan nyo kung bakit very profitable at bakit ito ngayon ang fastest growing business in the marketplace, balikan natin si Amazon, who started noong July 16, 1995, who launches selling books online in his own backyard, no? So, dun siya nag-umpisa in his own backyard with 250,000 na kapital. And then early 2000, dun siya nag-expand and went into subscription model. He went well beyond books, videos, music, clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription. And ang maganda, ito, meron siyang dun sa movie, no, yung Prime Video. Yan. So, dahil sa subscription model, I'm also a Prime Video subscriber, no, naka-equip din dito sa Amazon. So, nai-enjoy siya. No? So, ngayon si Amazon, who is Amazon right now? Pag nag-type ka sa Google at naghahanap ka ng any book o kaya kahit nga meron ang unang i-redirect sa'yo, Amazon. No? Yan. So, ganun si Amazon, ganun ang kwento ni Amazon, no? Yan. Ngayon, paano natin i-relate to kay Live Good? Kung si Amazon nag-umpisa noong July 16, 1995. Si Live Good naman nag-umpisa siya globally. It was launched globally on December 13, 2022 from Jupiter, Florida with its model of a wholesale membership club. Okay? Ayan. And Live Good is the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates. Affiliates, yes, because later on you will get to discover that bukod sa pagiging membership club, we also have an affiliate program attached sa ating membership club. Okay? Yan. And kaya natin sinasabi that it is the membership that pays because Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. Unlike the other companies that yung traditional Jurassic way of doing network marketing, you have to push the products. Kailangan kang magbenta. Kailangan meron kang every month na bibilhin. No? Now, we don't do that because Live Good's revenue comes from the membership, not from product sales. So just like, pag naging member ka ng Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, and Disney, hindi sinabi ng mga company ito na, oh, you are a member of Amazon. So, you have to push and buy the product of Amazon monthly. Mandatory, kailangan kang bumili for you to keep your membership. No, we don't do that. Kahit kay Costco, sabihin, pag hindi ka member ng Costco, hindi ka niya pipilitin na, oy, mag-renew ka. Pag nagpunta ka ng Costco at expired yung card mo, nakalagay na sa system nila, your card is expired, isasama na dun sa bill mo, dun sa binili mo. Ganun po yun. No? But you are not required na magbenta ng mga products ni Costco. Same is true with Sam's Club, Netflix. Hindi sinasabi na, oy, member ka ng Netflix, mawawala yung membership mo kung hindi ka nagbenta. No. And also with Disney Channel. Okay? Yan. So, malinaw po yan, ha? We don't push anything sa ating membership club. And Live Good has a record-breaking membership numbers na on its 13th month, nagkaroon tayo or na-hit natin ang 1 million members. Never in the history of network marketing nagkaroon ng 1 million members on its first year. And not even Amazon na binanggit natin kanina, it hits its 1 million member on its second year. Okay? So, what does this mean? Actually, right now, We're hitting 1.5 million members, and we are rapidly growing every single day. Binanggit ni Coach Ferds kanina, ilan ang nag-bronze because we have ranked here. 400 people are going bronze every single day, meaning thousands of people are joining every single day. So ano ang ibig sabihin nun? It speaks volume. There must be something good with Live Good. Actually, hindi lang good, even better. Hindi lang, even the best, di ba? So realize that hundreds of people are joining every hour. And you have, of course, napaka-importante that in joining any company, no, you have to verify, validate, try to check on the mastermind of the company. So this slide, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang mastermind of the company, the brainchild of Live Good, Mr. Ben Glinsky. With over 20 years experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. He is the primary reason why I joined Live Good. Why? I experienced his leadership, his headship na talaga namang napakaganda. Never a time na maalala ko na delay ang payout namin. Kasi I joined his previous company before, no? So, with that credibility, nung nakita ko na he's opening up another company, which is Live Good, nag-join ako. And mind you, some of our leaders, some of our affiliate leaders, nanggaling din doon. Now, if this person has no credibility, has no integrity, syempre hindi sila sasama dito. And I would like to speak for myself. Kung nakita ko na nagloko siya sa ibang company, then I would not be here right now talking to you. No? Dahil si Ben has this heart, talagang a big heart. Very passionate siya. And ang experience niya, actually, he is a genius. He is an IT guy. So yung Complan, pinag-aralan yan. Yung mga iba't ibang companies, nagko-consult sa kanya. He is also a consultant, an IT guy. So, siya ang gumagawa ng Complan na ang mga ibang company pilit ginagaya. And, of course, yung ating Complan, hindi man perfect sa ngayon. Pero, it is, nakaabang siya, no? It is headed for scalability and expansion. So, there is a lot more to come. So, marami pa kayong makikita doon sa ating company, no? Talagang nakaabang siya for scalability and expansion. Ngayon, the good news about Ben is that, yun nga, lagi siyang iniisip niya what is good for the masses. At yun ang naging inspiration niya na he opened up Live Good with the vision for the people, the everyday people, to have a solid residual income. That's the vision. The mission naman is for us to have an access of affordable products, no? Without having to spend a fortune to do it. Yan. So napaka-importante din po ang mission and vision ng company. Now, bukod po sa kanya, syempre meron siyang mga co-founders. And napakaganda ng ating leadership team, no? Sabi nga, everything rise and fall on leadership. So kung maganda yung leadership, then ang tendency magsa-thrive, mamamayagpag yung company. Pag malabo yung leadership, then what will happen? Fail, diba? So the good news is we have this corporate team na talaga naman, kung makikita nyo, ang common denominator sa kanila, yung pagiging passionate nila. Naku po, starting with Dr. Ryan Goodkin, who is the Director of Product Development. And ang background niya, he has a doctorate degree as a pharmacist. And at the same time, meron din siyang unique background, being a pharmacist, and as a natural health practitioner. So again, a doctorate degree in the field or in pharmacy. So pharmacist po siya. And meron din siyang background as a natural health practitioner. And Dr. Ryan is very, very passionate, very detailed, very thorough. So expect nyo na yung mga products natin are not only good, but they are the best, toxin-free, chemical-free, pesticide-free, herbicide free, the cleanest products ever in the planet. That we can reassure. And of course, with his wife, with his wife, Lisa Goodkin, who is the Director of Product Education, she embodies health and wellness. Pag nakita niyo si Lisa, talaga namang, she walks the talk. She walks the walks. She talks the talk. She talks the talk. Kasi when it comes to healthy lifestyle, healthy living, Lisa is the go-to person. Kung gusto mong tanungin, ano maganda sa akin, anong product ang pwede sa akin, naku po, best advisor yan si Lisa. Okay? And very responsive po siya. Okay? And of course, another co-founder and the legend of network marketing and the director of field development, Mr. Nother Kazan. So, siya ang nangulit actually kay Ben to come up with this concept. Actually, si Ben nag-retire yan when he saw dun sa previous company niya na only 1 to 2% are earning $3,000. 1% of the distributors in this industry, no? And then 3 to 4% lang ang nag-earn ng $300 to $500. And 95% ang hindi kumikita or abonado pa. Ngayon, ang nangyari, no? Sabi niya, well, this is not good. This is hurting people. This is not letting people win. So, he retired from that company, pero hindi po niya pinabayaan, no? And then, nag-usap sila ni Nother Kazan to come after 6 years. He went out of the retirement and then ginawa nila ang Live Good. Kasi lagi nilang pinag-uusapan dahil business partner sila. You know what? Someone has to do this concept na sana may affordable na magkaroon ng affordability of products na hindi nahirapan ng masses. Until such time na sinabi nila, okay, let's do it. Ayan, so doon ngayon nag-umpisa ang Live Good. Ayan, and of course, going further with Nother Kazan, he trained a lot of people. He is a mentor, also a very passionate person, full of energy, and ang dami niyang tulungan. And also, he is a philanthropist. No? Yan. Okay, so Live Good is started with high-quality, organic, certified, very affordable, natural products. So kung si Amazon nag-umpisa sa books, tayo nag-umpisa sa affordable health products. And why wellness products? Why health products? Because of the pandemic. No? So alam niyo naman po, during the time na nagkaroon ng pandemic ng COVID, huminto ang mundo natin. So that is exactly the very reason bakit inumpisahan sa wellness products. But take note that we are not a wellness company, okay? So kung nakikita nyo dyan, may collagen, may protein, may energy and focus, we are not a collagen company, not a coffee company, not a protein company, but we are a membership club. The good news about our products are they are sold, or we could get them on wholesale. So sa mga members, we have wholesale pricing. Okay? Now, para maniwala po kayo na wholesale ang presyo natin, magsasample lang po tayo, okay? So we have here we have 30 products na, no? We started with 17, pero ngayon nasa 30 products na tayo. So itong 3 na yan, which we have it right now, makikita nyo yung comparison, no? So, we try to compare this from other company, no? Kasi sabi nga ni Nother and Ben, ang product pala, pag manufacture mo, nasa $8 to $12 yan. Ngayon, pag ipinasok mo sa isang company, times 10, times 12, nagma-markup sila up to 20 times even, no? Yan. Grabe, no? But with Live Good, wala po kayong mararanasan na overpriced product. Wala tayong price gouging, and we are even USDA approved, GMP certified, and meron tayong certificate of analysis. And eto nga, magkukompare tayo ng 3 products. So we have the super greens. Napakaganda nito. All the greens that you could find there, alfalfa, ashwagandha, dandelion, and so on. Lahat ng greens, $18 versus $99.95. And we have our protein na plant-based. Napakaganda din, only for $22, no, versus $62.95. And our collagen, you have to take care of your skin, hair, nails, also joints and muscles. Napaka-importante po because as we age, nagde-deplete ang collagen natin. So as early that you can use the collagen, the better. No? Ayan, magkano lang sa atin? $27.95 versus $80. So these three products alone, ang savings natin, $174.95, making it 75% savings pag kinumpara mo sa ibang company. Ano ibig sabihin nun? A dollar save is a dollar earn. Pag nakatipid ka ng ganyang kalaki, saan ka dadalhin ng $174.95? Pwede mo nang pang-grocery yan. Ilang bigas na ang mabibili niyan, right? So, yun, what we have here is value. We are actually a revolution. And what created Live Good, a revolution, is the value of products, no? We have, hindi na totoo na yung sinasabi na, oh, pag mahal yan, ibig sabihin, better quality. No, even Ben said that. It doesn't mean na pag mataas ang presyo, ay better quality. Because with Live Good, dinisrupt na rin natin yan. We have the highest quality, but with the lowest price possible. Okay, tatandaan niyo po yan dahil yan yung mga bentahin natin, no? With our products, no? Yeah. And of course, yung isang international wellness pack natin, no? We have 6 products na andito. We will not be doing a product demo, but just a little information about some products para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Na ito, magkano lang? $89.95. 6 products, powerful, amazing. Talaga namang napakaganda na gagawin to sa napakaganda at ang daming benefits sa katawan natin, no? So we have the multivitamin for men or women. Ito po yun. So syempre, dahil product of the product tayo, kailangan meron tayong available na product. Otherwise, syempre, paano makikita na maganda yung negosyo mo, right? Paano makikita na maganda yung membership club mo kung ikaw alone, hindi ka produkto ng iyong produkto, right? So we have the multivitamin for men and women. Ayan, so napakaganda nito. Ilang, ingredients? 24 ingredients. Naku, napakaganda, no? Magkaiba ang vitamin ng men for women because we have different physiological needs. Ang lalaki, kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health. Ang babae, kailangan ng iron, okay? For their menstrual loss. Okay, so D3K2, the sunlight vitamin, and of course, immune support. Naku po, ano yung ini-announce ng World Health Organization? Ano na naman ang pandemic? Birds flu. Okay, so support your immune system. D3K2, the sunlight vitamin, and also good for weight management and immune support. Ayan, ultra magnesium complex, napaka-importante po ito, ano? Because responsible siya sa 300 chemical reactions in the body. And pag kulang ka sa magnesium, nako, it would lead you to serious illnesses gaya ng diabetes, heart ailment, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, anxiety, and so on and so forth. Kaya if you want to have a healthy you have to make sure na meron kang ultra magnesium complex. Super Reds, of course, ang Super Reds natin. Nandun sa kabila yung Super Reds. So maganda ito for the heart. This is good for any person na merong puso. Meron po ba dito sa 263 na walang puso? I'm pretty sure lahat po kayo may puso, right? Sige nga, may puso ho ba kayo? Ayan. Okay? And of course, yung ating Factor 4, anti-inflammatory product. Wow, talaga namang bakit dyan tinawag na Factor 4? Dahil ito lang ang product in the market na pinagsama-sama ang 4 na anti-inflammatory ingredients. No? Yan. So, merong turmeric, CoQ10, garlic, fish oil na pinagsama. Usually, binibili mo siya separately na napakamahal. Pero nilagay, kinompak sa isang product which is the Factor 4. Maganda po ito sa chronic pain. Ayan. Maraming testimonies po dyan, ano? Yan. Okay. Sabi ni Sir Roman, meron po every bit of it. Florida, salamat po sa mga nag-respond na may mga puso. Yung iba po wala po. Anyway, okay, so 6 na product. International Wellness Pack only for $89.95. You know what? The best investment that you could have in the world is investing in your health. No? Because health is not a passing trend. It is a commitment to yourself. Bago ka pa tumingin o kaya mag-venture sa gusto mong bilhin dyan, unang-una mong i-prioritize ang iyong health. Self-care. Self-care is self-love. love. Kaya tatandaan niyo po yan, okay? Yan. And of course, iba, pag nakagamit ka ng products, how would you like na pag sinabi sa'yo na, uy, Janet, mukhang pumapayat ka. Uy, Janet, anong ginagamit mo? Nag-glow ka. How would you feel? Di ba ang ganda? And the more that ma-excite ka na i-share siya. And once na-experience mo yung kagandahan ng product, there's no way for you but to share. So, sa Live Good, we are not in a convincing game because ikaw mismo, you will speak for the products. You will speak. I mean, the way you look, the way you transform will speak for the company na sinishare mo or pinopromote mo, right? And of course, ano pa? Okay, so yan, that's with the products. And ito, may bago tayo ngayon, dehydration amplifier. Napakaganda po nito. Naku po, kailangan din po natin. It is not enough that we are drinking water. Madalas tayong nawawala ng electrolytes. Kailan yun? Pag pinapawisan ka, pag na-stress ka. Actually, nakakapagpawala ng electrolytes yung stress ka. Pag anxious ka. Pag lagi kang alalang-ala, naku po, nakakawala po, nakaka-deplete po yan ng electrolytes. Kaya we need more than water. Pag pinagsama mo, kasama ng E3, aminos, at saka hydration amplifiers, naku po, talaga namang nakikita nyo kung ano yung energy natin ngayon. Epekto yan ng Live Good. So, ano pa? Of course. So, there's so much more to talk about the products of Live Good. Actually, kung iisa-isahin natin yan, matutuwa kayo. Wala kang itulak kabigyan sa mga products. Why? Kasi nakikinig ang corporate team. Anong product ang gusto nyong i-formulate natin? And then they try to do the stats. Yan by demand. So, each product, pwede mong i-share yan. Pwedeng maging stand-alone product. Like, if you have the community na puro kailangan mag-lose weight, then talk about lean. Okay? If you are in the community na ang daming naka-experience ng anong tawag nito? Hormonal imbalance, talk about our hormonal balance for women. So kung ang community mo puro mga may arthritis at merong gout, then talk about factor 4. Yun ang kagandahan ng ating membership club kasi one product alone pwedeng maging stand-alone product and you can just concentrate on talking about it. Ako for now, I'm talking about lean kasi mismo in the workplace napapansin nila na, oh, are you shedding pounds? Gumagano sila. Are you losing weight? Wala pa akong sinasabi. So what's the next thing? May pupuntahan ka. What are you doing? Are you on a diet? So, well, it's a chance. You have to open the doors, diba? Open the conversation. That's how it is. Pag kayo po ay product ng product. No? Automatic, when you become the product of the product, you will sell your business. So, ganun po ang gagawin natin. Kaya hindi po tayo required na magbenta dito. Once you become, uulitin ko, the product of the product, the business will sell itself. So, yes, Live Good is the next Amazon of social marketing. It is also the next or the first, no? The Amazon of network marketing. Diba? Yan. Yan ang ating, ang ating future, no? Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. But take note that Live Good is not a health and wellness company. It is a membership club. Live Good launched with health and well-being products as a result of COVID and the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. Inuna lang po natin ang mga health and wellness products because of pandemic and of course para ma-prevent po natin yung mga possible na health attacks, no? Kasi nga, 'di ba may saying na an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. So let us be proactive. Huwag niyo na akong antayin na meron kayong nararamdaman na sumasakit ang mga kasukasuhan niyo. Better be proactive. And right now, you have to supplement yourself because we all need supplementation. Supplementation is what? Is non-negotiable. Tatandaan niyo po yan. Supplementation is non-negotiable. Meaning, kailangan mo talaga. Kailangan kang maging healthy. And, mas magandang healthy aging, di ba? Aging gracefully. Agree po ba kayo na mas magandang nagmamature? Huwag na akong tumatanda, mas maganda kung tumatanda, nagmamature, whatever you like, na you are aging gracefully, di ba? Biro mo yun, 54 ka, pero nakakagalaw ka ng maayos, 60 years old ka, di ba? Ayan, agree na agree, sabi ni Ma'am Pinky. Thank you po. Ayan. Of course, Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale superstore. Yes, truly it will be, and it is actually right now, and it will happen dahil, nako, ang dami naka-line up po ng mga products natin, no? Now, we just started with health and wellness. Again, hindi po tayo health and wellness products because we will also be introducing a lot of products in any industry that we could think about. Travel, household products, skincare, water filters, online services. And the reason that we have, alam niyo na po yun, right? We tap the pharmacy or the prescriptive medicine, prescriptive drug space, di ba? Yung prescription drug space natin, tinap natin yon. Remember, last week, merong ini-announce si Ben that there are 40 million users of that weight loss product, no? And we are tapping them. So, merong nakipag-collaborate na pharmaceutical company. We're in exclusive na ino-offer sa Live Good na we get the highest possible lowest price. Na yung product na yon na ginagamit na ng 40 million people in the US who are already obese, no? Pwedeng maka-avail ng product na yon sa Live Good provided that they are member for only $199. Na pag kinumpara mo yon outside of Live Good o dyan sa marketplace, $399. Yung isa over $700. But dito sa Live Good, yung isa $199 versus $400, yung isa $399 versus $700 to $100. Now, lilinawin ko po ha, dahil nung ini-announce ni Ben yun, merong mga confusion. No? We are not a proponent of drugs. We are not an advocate of drugs. But we are trying to tap the market para later on maging transition yon from drug user to supplementation. And besides, kahit gumagamit sila ng ganung drug, no, ang tendency niyan pwede silang mag-supplement. Kasi pag gumagamit ka ng maintenance, ng mga drug, any prescriptive drug, ang nasa sacrifice is yung nutrients and minerals na kailangan ng katawan mo. So, kailangan pa rin natin ng supplementation. And that is exactly where we are going. And the reason why I'm telling you this, para alam nyo, akala ko ba, natural products tayo? Tinanong ako nyo, bakit meron tayong pinomote na drug? Remember, we are a club membership company. Si Costco, club membership siya, right? Sa loob ni Costco, merong pharmacy yan. Ganun lang po din ang Live Good. Na membership club tayo, kaya we could add any product from any industry. So, kailangan nyo pong malaman to. You have to be clear, you have to be informed why. Para later on, pag tinanong kayo, alam nyo po ang isasagot nyo. Why are we tapping the prescription space, no? Yan. Okay? Malinaw? Malinaw po? Pwede ho bang mag-react? Naliwanagan po ba? No? Yan. Okay? Any reaction? Okay. Okay. So, on top of that, I will give you 6 reasons why you have to join Live Good. Okay? 6 reasons to join Live Good. We have an amazing products and more to come. We are tapping like 200 products in until 2025. Clear. Napakalinaw. Ayan. Sir June, Ma'am Emma. Ayan. Salamat po. Okay. And second reason, we have incredible wholesale prices. Totoo po yan. Wala pong overpriced product dito sa atin. Thank you, Ma'am Mercy B. Crystal clear. So, meaning na talaga pong napakaganda ng ating products. Walang price gouging. Number 3, we have a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. In case na hindi mo nagustuhan any of the product, naubos mo na't lahat, no? Pwede mong ibalik yung empty bottle, no questions asked, i-refund ni Live Good sa'yo yan. Ang sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money kung hindi ka naging masaya sa product. Okay. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Roman. It's quickly clean. Ayan. Number 4 reason, bakit ka mag-join ng Live Good? Nothing to buy or sell. Yes, you are not required to buy. You can buy the products when you want it, whenever you need it, but the time na gusto mo siya. Pero paano ka naman hindi mapapabili ng products kung nakikita mo mismo sa sarili mo that you are getting healthy, na nagta-transform ka, na gumaganda ang pakiramdam mo. Ako, I would trade anything just to be feeling better. Ang hirap kaya na magkasakit. When your body hurts, life hurts, di ba? Napakasaklap ng buhay pag lahat sa iyo masakit, hindi ba? Yes or yes, di ba? When your body hurts, everything hurts. When your body hurts, life hurts. Napakasakit ng buhay pag may sakit ka. Diba? Okay, fifth reason why you have to join Live Good, because we have a powerful compensation plan. Yan. Powerful, duplicatable, and of course, simple. The simplicity ng ating plan, pag inaral mo lang, you will find it very simple. Yeah, and the doability factor, very doable, no? Kasi it is designed for everyday people, for the average people, para madali nilang i-share ang Live Good. Ayan. Okay. I am trying to get all what you are explaining, Ma'am Janet. Okay, thank you po, Ma'am Tony Tiger Dizeda. Ayan. And of course, number 6th reason, timing. Anong sabi? Timing is everything. We just launched. We are just getting started. We haven't started the agent yet. Ano pa? We haven't scratched the surface yet. Yun ang kadalasan sinasabi ni Ben, right? So, are you late for Live Good? Definitely not. Diba? We are just in the pioneering stage. Naku po. Nakita niyo naman yung explanation kahapon, yung ating training kahapon with Sir James, diba? Kailan ang pioneering stage? Kahit sa 3rd year, nasa pioneering stage pa din dyan. So are you in the light, and are you on the right timing? Definitely yes. The answer is yes. Right? So hindi pa po kayo late dito. No? You are just on the perfect time. Pero wag niyo hong tagalan. Di ba? Time is of the essence. Di ba? Yan. Action ka agad. Di ba? Now, na-excite na kayo dun sa products. Naku, ang ganda pala ng products, Janet. So, paano mag-member dyan? You can become a member or an affiliate. Diba? Yan. So if you only want the products, if you only want discounts, if you only want the benefits, if you only want affordable, highest quality product, then be a member. Just be a member for only $9.95 per month. So subscription-based company din tayo. No? So we pay monthly or yearly. Mas maganda, pag yearly mong binayaran, para libre yung 2 months mo. But if you're on tight sa budget, then start with a $9.95 per month and then mag-upgrade ka na lang later on for 1 year. Okay. Ngayon, here's a suggestion kasi there is another option or the second way to be a part of Live Good. Become an affiliate kasi merong naka-attach na affiliate program ang Live Good. Hindi lang discounts. Pwede ka ding kumita sa Live Good. And imagine, pag meron kang business worldwide in 230 countries, and imagine na pag sineryoso mo to, you will find out na later pala, because of how much you're earning, because of the amount that you are earning, lalabas na yung product mo, may pambili ka na di ba? Magiging libre na, in the sense na, mas malaki ng income mo kaysa doon sa subscription. And of course, may enjoy mo that $89.95 monthly mo na products just for you na to be on top of your health. Naku po, pwedeng maging libre yan when you join as an affiliate and be a part of the affiliate program. Kasi nga, merong compensation plan. How is that? And ang maganda, if you become an affiliate, para kang may franchise in 230 countries. Bakit? Because Live Good uses the power of leveraging wherein you multiply your time through others. Yun ang pinakamagandang concept ng network marketing. And naku po, with Live Good, ay, napakaganda. Kaya nakikita nyo kung bakit laging ganyan ang energy ko. Because I'm immersed. I'm immersed with the business. Okay? I hope you get that. Okay? Ayan. So, yung affiliate program na yan, paano ko maging affiliate? Gusto ko yung negosyo, Janet. Gusto ko yung mag-business ako ng 230. Magkano puhunan? Baka naman milyon yan. Franchise ang binanggit mo eh. Alam niyo ba na you can be a franchise of LiveGood? Ayan. Okay, you could be an affiliate for only $40 one time and $9.95 yung first month subscription mo. So that is for only $49.95. Affiliate ka na. Global na ang negosyo. Ngayon, kung gusto mo mas makatipid, go for the $139.95. Pareho pa rin. $40 one time, forever, lifetime. And then $99.95 yung 1-year membership. That makes $139.95. You're done. Tapos na yung 1 year, wala ka nang iisipin ng monthly na, naku, magbabayad ako ng membership ko to be on top of the compensation plan. Wala nang ganun kasi tinapos mo na sa $139.95. The only thing that you will do is to share the business. Sino ang alam mong gustong mabago ang buhay mo? Oh, 'di ba? Mga OFW, our heroes. We all want to have a change of life, 'di ba? Hindi tayo forever na nasa ibang bansa. Right? So if you want change, be the change. Ganun lang 'yon. Be an affiliate of LiveGood for only $49.95 or $139.95 and you get a global business. Sa traditional, pagtatanungin ko kayo anong traditional business meron ka or magkakaroon ka sa $139.95. Fishball, food cart, sari-sari store, anong itsura ng sari-sari store mo sa $139.95. Are you getting what I'm saying? Sana makuha nyo, no, yung wisdom nitong pinag-uusapan natin. With that $139.95 na puhunan natin, like 7,000 to 8,000 on a global business. Ito po yung tinatap natin dito sa subscription model na to. Ito po yung sinasabi natin na you can capitalize on residuals, no? Yan. Now, okay, ready na ako mag $49.95 or $139.95. Paano? Okay, so yung nag-introduce sa'yo in this Zoom call, siya po yung magiging sponsor mo. You need a sponsor to start with LiveGood. Okay? Grab the link and then mag-usap kayo. Janet, gusto kong maging affiliate ng LiveGood. Okay, ganun din. Sa mga nag-tag sa inyo sa FB, sila po ang magiging sponsor ninyo. Okay? Yan. So, okay, tapos na tayo. Affiliate ka na. What's next? Eto na. Once you become an affiliate, you will earn not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 7 ways. Actually, 8 ways to earn yan. No? So once you become an affiliate, you get to participate in the affiliate program wherein you can earn in 7 ways. So we will dive in dun sa first 3 dahil yun ang pinaka-importante. Yung 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, dadaanan lang po natin. Okay? So, first way to earn weekly fast start commission. Paano yan, Janet? Affiliate ka na. Aaralin mo na yung negosyo. No? Once na naaral mo siya, because when you become an affiliate, ito na, ano meron ako? By the way, yan. Pag affiliate ka, meron kang back office, meron kang portal. Siyempre, anong gagawin mo? Digital na tayo, so level up din tayo. No? We are a digital business. So, online ang ating business. So, once you pay that, once you register, meron kang 3 replicated website wherein personalize yun na. Meron kang sariling back office, corporate site, retail site, and Tourlink site. Ngayon, magpo-focus tayo dun sa Tourlink site kasi yun ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa 6 ways to earn. Yung Tourlink site mo is your site. Actually, yun yung binigay sa inyo ng sponsor nyo ngayon, no? Dahil gusto nyo din magkanegosyo. So, ibibigay mo yon, very personal. That is your personal website. So, halimbawa, okay, so, makikita nyo dyan sa back office nyo. livegoodtour.com/ ayan, Marilyn Bandara. Okay, so, ganun yan, no? Once na, yan yung Tourlink, yan yung franchising website. Okay? Once na share mo yan, doon sa sponsoran mo, then, at yung pinag-sharean mo na excite, gusto ding mag-join, you are entitled sa weekly fast start commission. Na yung pinag-sharean mo ng Tourlink site mo, once na nag-join siya, no? $49.95, kagaya mo, or $139.95, you get $25 fast start commission. Okay? Fast start commission sa lahat ng mapag-sharean mo directly sa Livcon. So, example, itong nasa slide natin, 10. Dahil na-excite ka, naku, may kakilala ko sa Canada, Japan, Nigeria, Australia, lahat na. Kuwait, Saudi, lahat na. No? Merong 10. So, yung 10 yan, syempre, gusto ng negosyo, gusto din namin, maayos yung ating buhay. Okay. So, 10 yan, nag-enroll ng $49.95 times $25, then 10 times 25, you get $250 fast start bonus na ibibigay sa'yo next week. So, may cut-off tayo ha. So, lahat ng ipapasok nyo hanggang Thursday night, cut-off, US time, no? Next week, makukuha niyo yan. Kaya tinawag na weekly fast start commission. Okay? I hope that's clear. Okay, bukod doon, hindi lang nagtatapos sa directly sponsored ang ating fast start commission. Kasi may ranking din tayo. Mag-umpisa saan rank? Then first rank natin is bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Ngayon, Janet, baka naman napakahirap mag-bronze. I-share nyo lang po ito sa 2 tao. Then you can rank up to bronze. So, yung direct mo is 50%. So, that's 25. Ngayon, syempre, 2 yan, di ba? Dahil kailangan mag-bronze ka. 2 affiliate. So, itong 2 mo, paano mag-rank up ng bronze? Gusto din namin, kagaya mo. Ngayon, yung 2 mo, kukuha din. I-share din sa 2 tao para mag-bronze sila. So, sila merong 50%, may $25. Ikaw na indirect sponsor, meaning hindi mo na possible na hindi mo na kilala, and yet you still have an overriding commission. Level 2 mo yung 2 yun, yung in-sponsoran ng sponsor mo, entitled ka sa 10% commission. Which means ilan ang 10%? $5. $5, may $10 ka. Pero possible na hindi mo sila kilala. Because you may not know who your referrals know. Right? Ngayon, second rank, silver. Mau-open yung level 4 mo. So, in-sponsoran mo, and then sponsoran mo. So, hanggang 4th level yan. Entitled ka sa an additional 5%. Gold, open hanggang level 6. Platinum, open hanggang level 8. So, nag-expand yan, no? So, habang lumalalim, meron kang overriding commission on top of your fast start na nanggagaling sa direct. So, from 2nd level up to 10 levels, when you become a diamond, additional po yan sa fast start commission ninyo. We will not be doing the math dahil everything is provided naman sa back office natin. That's how good our weekly fast start commission is. Okay, second, ganito yan. May matrix commission. Janet, ano yung matrix na yan? Okay, remember na may team building structure tayo. So, yung unang pinakita ko is that is your enroller tree. So, meron tayong genealogy tree ang tawag no. So, enroller tree and the matrix tree. So, dito sa matrix commission, pag-uusapan natin yung matrix tree nyo. Paano ang itsura ng matrix tree? Janet, ganito po yan. We are given a 2x15 matrix tree. So, 2 wide hanggang 15 levels deep pag diamond ka, but we will be starting with 2x12 matrix. So, ibig sabihin nun, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. So, sa matrix 3, ganito ang itsura. Okay? Ikaw po yan. Yung first front line mo will only be 2. Dalawa lang talaga. Now, yung 4 mo, that will be your 2nd level. So, Janet, paano yun? Ang direct ko, based on your enroller tree, paano yun ang direct ko more than 2? Saan mapupunta yung pangatlo ko? In your enroller tree, mapupunta siya dun pa rin sa direct mo. So, entitled ka dun sa fast start. Pero sa matrix tree mo, ang kagandahan ng matrix tree, tignan nyo ha, tignan nyo. Yung third na direct mo pa rin siya. Pero sa matrix tree mo, no, pupunta siya doon sa tao who is already there, na andun na. So yung pangatlo mo, pupunta siya on your third level under that person na andun na. Okay? So, sino magbe-benefit o paano ako magbe-benefit niyan? Remember, sa Matrix Commission, you can have the Matrix Commission when people will pay the 9.95 subscription, no? At ibibigay ni company yung 2.5% or 0.25 cents or 14 pesos. So, lahat ng andyan sa matrix mo, whether direct o indirect, 0.25 cents lahat yan. Basta nagbabayad sila ng subscription nila every month. And why do they have to pay the subscription every month? For them to enjoy the discounts. And why do they have to pay the subscription pay? Para they will be on top of the compensation plan. Okay? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, Janet, kung sinasabi mo, halimbawa, dalawa, and then yung pangatlo, na pupunta na dun sa first, sa tao na andun na, ibig sabihin nun, mag-earn siya. Yes, that person will earn 25 cents and you will earn 25 cents. So, spill over mo na yun sa kanya. Now, uulitin ko to paulit-ulit dito sa ating Zoom meeting. Itong spill over na to are bonuses, okay? Bonus lang po yan. So, they are given to you or pupunta yan sa matrix mo coming from your enroller tree. Always following the enroller tree. So, pwedeng manggaling sa'yo or hindi. Anybody na nanggagaling under your enroller tree can be a spillover. Now, take note that spillover are bonuses. Do not depend on that. Pag sinabi nating bonuses, pwedeng mangyari siya mabilis, pwedeng mangyari siyang mabagal. Pwedeng mangyari siyang right away, as early as 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 3 months, or pwedeng mangyari siya 1 year or 2 years. Depende. Now, Matrix Commission is a slow way to build a business. Take note of that. Matrix Commission is a part of the compensation plan when you build the business very slowly. The good news is meron tayong fast way to do the business. Okay? Napaka-importante pong malaman nyo to, no? Na merong fast way at may slow way. Kaya tinatawag natin na ang Matrix Commission can be dubbed as retirement income because it will develop over time. Okay? Kung mababasa po nyo yan, ang full matrix ng 8,192, no, is 0.25 cents. Okay? Yan. So, 8,192 times 0.25 cents, you will have the sum of $2,047. Pag full yung matrix mo sa 2 by 12. 2 by 12. Okay? Ulitin ko ha, pag puno yung matrix mo ng 2 by 12. Ngayon, Janet, paano mapupuno yan? Paano ko makukuha yung 8,192? Again, it will develop over time. The good news is hindi kailangan mapuno yung matrix para makakuha ka ng matrix commission. Ito lang ay potential income pag puno yung matrix. So, ito. Based on the rank, ito yung possible, potential. Yung pwede mong kitain. Again, pag puno yung matrix. Depending on your rank, it could be 2,047.50, 4,095.50. Pag bronze, silver is the same. Gold and platinum, 8,191.50. And pag diamond, 16,383.50. Pag napuno na ang matrix mo. Okay? I hope malinaw yan. Okay? Now, the good news is, eto na. This is the fast way to build a business. Dito po kayo mag-concentrate. Drop down po muna lahat. Dito kayo makinig sa akin. This part of the compensation plan is the fast way to build a business. This part of the compensation plan is the heart. No? Ito yung talagang dito mo ma-appreciate na it will change your life. Because the matching bonuses are those. Ito yung part ng compensation plan na unang-una, the fast way to build it. Ito yung part ng compensation plan na para sa mga affiliates who will share the business. So kung ang balak niyo sa Live Good ay sumali ka para mag-antay lang ng bonus, then wala tayong pag-uusapang matching bonuses or matching bonuses or meron isa dyan, generational bonuses. If you are that person na walang gagawin, then wala tayong pag-uusapang bonuses because this part of the compensation plan is for the affiliates who will share the business. Dahil for every person na pag-sharean mo, mamatchan ni Live Good ang 50% ng matrix income nung direct mo. Okay, mamatchan. Ganun ang meaning ng matching dito ha. Hindi pares, kundi tatapatan. Okay, paano yan, Janet? Okay, so halimbawa, ito mag-example tayo, no? Sabi niya, the matching bonus is by far the most exciting part of the Live Good compensation plan. Whatever your personally enrolled people earn in the matrix pay, you earn half. Ganun lang siya. But it gets better dahil as you rank up, you will even be paid further matching bonuses na ang tawag ay generational bonus. Okay, to illustrate that, ang matching bonus ganito. Okay, personally enrolled mo, yung niyaya mo personally. So whatever yung matrix income nila, 50% nun ay tatapatan ni Live Good at ibibigay sa iyo. Okay, tatapatan ha, pero hindi babawasan yung kanyang matrix income. Okay? So, example nitong matching bonuses, you personally enroll 10 people. So, 10 na tao, they each earn 200 in their matrix. So, yung 10 taong yan, merong matrix income na $200. So, you will match them 50%. Okay? Ilan ang 50% ng 200? So, it's $100, right? So, $100, ilang tao times 10. Then, from that people alone, from that 10 people na in-enroll mo at ginawa ang Live Good at meron silang matrix income na 200, 50% of that sa'yo times 10, dahil 10 sila, you get $1,000. Okay? Granted na 200. Paano kung 500 ang matrix income nila? Paano kung 1,000 ang matrix income nila? 500 times 10. 300 times 300, 150 times 10. Ngayon, Janet, may capping ba yan? Paano, Janet, kung nag-uumpisa 4 lang na tao? Then 50%. 4 na tao, ilan yon? Di ba $1? 50%. O di may 50 cents ka, right? Whatever the amount, wala tayong capping. Ibibigay ni Live Good sa iyo up to the last cent. The good news about matching bonus is that, syempre, ang matrix income, compounding yan. Nag-umpisa sa maliit, pero lumalaki siya. Ganun po yun, no? And, ang good news sa matching bonuses is, meron pa tayong generational matching bonuses na mag-uumpisa pag silver rank ka. So, if you want to enjoy the matching bonuses, go for silver. Mamaya dadaanan natin paano maging silver. Dahil once you become a silver, entitled ka ng 10%. Buong angkan, buong silver generation, first and second. Ang pinag-uusapan natin huwag kayo ma-confuse sa first level and generation ha. Yung personally enrolled nyo is iba to. Yung first generation nyo is yung in-enroll nyo, right? And then, second generation, in-enroll. So, yan. Ganun ang second generation niya. Buong angkan. Okay? Ngayon, pag gold up to third generation, meron kang 5% sa lahat ng gold mo up to third generation on top of your silver at saka personally enrolled. Platinum hanggang fourth generation. Buong platinum generation mo. And diamonds, pag diamond rank ka, additional 3% sa lahat ng diamond generation. Imagine kung gaano po kalaki yan. Ang laki niyan, guys. So, pag diamond ka, meron ka ng 50% sa personally enrolled mo, meron ka pang 10% sa lahat ng silver affiliates under your first, second, meron ka pang gold generational bonus sa lahat ng gold Ibig sabihin nun, ganito lang, binabayaran ka multiple times. Dito sa matching bonuses, starting from silver. Pag diamond ka, binabayaran ka 50% personal, binabayaran ka 10% as silver, as gold, as platinum, buong henerasyon. Nako, kung hindi nyo po maintindihan to, okay lang. It will, maintindihan nyo din pag ando na kayo. Pero mas maganda pag aralin nyo ngayon, baliwin nyo lang ang sarili nyo. I mean, my point is not only baliwin, no? My point is ganito kaganda yung Complan. Talagang do your math. Ikaw mismo, na pag meron akong 30 directs, ganito pala ang potential income. Ganun po yun. No? Sometimes, iba pag nakikita mo yung vision talagang dedetalyehin mo. Right? Are you good? Exciting ba ang Complan ng Live Good? Sige nga, react naman para alam kong andyan pa kayo. 241 kayo andito, baka tinulugan nyo na ako eh. No? Yan. So, example, yan. Sinabi na natin yung example dyan. Okay? So, appreciate the matching bonus. To illustrate it, ganito lang. The matrix income will just help you pay your bills. But the matching bonuses will change your life. Anong gusto mong income? Yung life-changing or pambayad ng bills? Diba? Ayan. Para mas maintindihan nyo, bibigyan ko kayo ng isang computation na nanggaling sa back office. Thank you. Super ganda ng Complan. Yan. Life-changing. Yes. Nai-enjoy ang generational bonus. Yes. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. At pinaramdam nyo na kayo'y gising na gising pa. Alam nyo po, isang po namin yan, na alam namin na nakikinig po kayo. Yes. Thank you, Ma'am Ruth, Sir Dulma Abnel, Ma'am Sir Tony. Ayan. Marami po, Sir Arlene. Ayan, Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Emma, Ma'am Catherine. Salamat po. Okay, eto na. Para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay, ito nanggaling sa back office to. Ito yung direct sponsor, itong personally sponsored mo, personally enrolled. Ito na yung matrix income ng yung mga tao na in-enroll mo directly. Ngayon, sa matching bonus, 50% ng matrix income nila. Ayan, 295, 50%, 147.62. 264, 132. 242, 121. So, ilan ang personally enrolled niya dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Anim yung personally enrolled niya. So, ito na. Ito ang sayo, matching bonuses mo. We're talking about matching bonuses lang, ha? Hindi pa kasama ang matrix dito. Ngayon, sa organization mo, merong, dahil siguro na-promote ka na ng platinum. Okay. So, meron kang silver generation. Meron ka isang tao na nasa silver, second generation mo siya. 338.25. Ano sinasabi sa silver? 10%. Ayan, no? Oo, 10% ng kanyang matrix income. Ilang silver yan? Ilang tao? 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo ang silver. 50% of their matrix income. I'm sorry, 10% of their matrix income. Dahil nasa second gen. Ngayon, yung platinum mo, nasa first generation mo. Okay, 338.25. Pag platinum, ilan uli ang bayad sa'yo? 5%, right? 16.91. Ayan, pag gold, nasa first generation mo yung gold na yan. Possible na itong taong to iisa, pero binabayaran ka as silver, gold, platinum. Ganun po yun. Diba? Ano ba? Ang ganda, diba? Sorry ha. Ayan. Oh, naku po. Oh, diba? Na-excite ba kayo? Grabe, naku. Paminsan-minsan baliwin nyo yung sarili nyo. Hindi, yung totoong baliw yung, I mean, yung nanggagaling sa real talk. Nanggagaling sa, may basehan ka, hindi yung for the sake na hinahype mo yung sarili mo. Hindi po tayo nag-hype dito. In fact, we are not in a convincing game pag nakita mo ang Live Good. Kaya, ay nako, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, sorry. Ako ganun na eh. Kailangan talaga i-immerse mo yung sarili mo sa Live Good. Right? Oh, retail commission. Ayan, madali lang yan. May back office ka, may retail site ka, parang Lazada site. Ngayon, pag may mga tao na ayaw pang mag-member, bigay mo yung retail site mo, bibili nila yung product as retail price. Paano kakikita? Retail price minus members price, yung difference, magkahati kayo ni Live Good. Ayan, ganun lang. Depende sa rank mo, ano siya, progressive. Depende sa rank mo, ma-open yung levels mo. Yan. Okay. So, influencer bonuses, if you promote the products sa social media account mo, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, additional pa yan dun sa retail commission mo, no? On top of the 50%, pag na-hit mo yung 2,500 retail sales, additional 10%, making it 60%. Pag na-hit mo hanggang 50,000, additional 50% plus 50%, making it 100%. No? Although, take note, hindi po tayo again obliged na magbenta, but then tayo pong mga Pilipino kasi, ano natin yan talent natin yan, skill natin yan nung magbenta. Alam mo yung pag may nagustuhan ka, uy, alam mo, ang sarap talaga nitong kape. I-try mo siya, di ba? Halos ipagpilitan mo doon, kung gamitin nyo yung skill nyo na yon. Hindi mo alam yung excitement mo, yung contagious, yung being you, no? Yung pagiging contagious at infectious mo as a person, gamitin nyo po yan. Kung ikaw yung talagang pinaniniwala na, uy, nakakita ko talagang pumapayat ka, so ano sasabihin mo? Diba? Ito ang ginamit ko. Simple ka. Pero walang hard sell. Kasi nakita nila mismo. Pati yung kape. Diba? Ito ang ganda talaga. The cleanest, purest, toxin-free, chemical-free coffee. Ganun po yun. No? Yan. Okay, o kaya. I-promote mo sa, I do that, no? You find your niche. Kaya po when I am serious with my business. So when I promote that in TikTok, I just want to let everybody know that we have a good company. That's it. Hindi ibig sabihin na pag nag-promote ka sa, utilize your social media account, no? Na maging productive ka. No? Nagtitimpla ka ng coffee, o kaya nagluluto ka habang umiinom ng anything, no? We have to be creative doing it. Yan. Pero hindi tayo nagkukumbinse. Showing up. If you want to build your business, show up. Diba? Yeah, number 7 and 8. Ito na. Ito na. If you are a diamond rank, if you are promoted as a diamond or in diamond rank, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month, including all membership. Di ba meron ka ng fast start, meron ka ng matrix commission, meron ka ng matching bonuses, meron ka ng generational bonuses, meron ka ng influencer bonus, meron ka pang retail commission. Di ba? Ngayon, pag nag-diamond ka, you will get to share a piece of the pie dahil 2% ng total sales and membership ng company, kunin yung 2%, paghahatian lahat ng diamonds in the market. In Live Good. So, sino ang gustong mag-diamond dito? Pwede ba? I-manifest nyo na ngayon. Kahit na hindi pa diamond ang nasa back office nyo. Alam nyo ba, very powerful ang manifestation. You manifest, you attract, you create. Importante ang manifestation kasi tinuturuan mo na yung brain mo na that is happening. Andun ka na sa present. Andun ka na sa gusto mo. And then you i-attract mo nanggagaling sa universe. So, ang manifestation nanggagaling sa brain, ang attraction nanggagaling outside para ma-attract mo yung external forces. And then you create. Creating is taking massive action. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Roman, Sir Chris, Ma'am Arlene. Yan. Me. Ayan. Ma'am Emma, of course. Yes. May hindi na makatulog daw dito. Diba? Wala pa nga akong binibigay na number. Naku, pag si Coach Fer na nang naglatag sa inyo ng numbers, mas lalo. Naku po. Ayan. Sir June. Okay. Ngayon, hindi pa po nagtatapos dyan. Pag Crown Diamond po kayo, you will also share in a further 0.5% of all the sales every month. Okay? So, halimbawa, ilan Crown Diamond meron tayo? Si Coach Fernand, si Tim Miller. No? Si Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond in Live Good. And of course, our very own Coach Fernand Santiago, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and second worldwide. No? So, halimbawa, 15 million yung sales. Halimbawa lang Okay. Ngayon, kunin mo yung 0.5%, which is roughly like 75,000 divided by 2. Tama ba? So each Crown Diamond will have $37,500 on top of their fast start, matrix, matching, generational, retail, influencer, di ba? Ganon. Are we all be a crown diamond? Of course. Ano sinabi? We are here to stay. Ano sabi? 2035, year 2035, we will have 100 million members. Is it possible? Of course. Di ba? Is it possible? Yes. Say yes. Posible yan. Ngayon nga lang, tinap yung 40 million users ng isang drug, isang di ba? Tinap yung market na ang user ay 40 million users na from the prescription space, di ba? O 40 million, di ba? Kunin mo lang ang 10% noon na kumikita. And then maku-curious sila, ano ba meron sa Live Good? Ano ba ibang products nito? Oh, di ba? Yes. You have to be futuristic pagdating sa business, no? You live in the present, but make sure that you see the vision of Live Good. Di ba? Yan. Oh. Okay. So, Janet, paano ba maging diamond? Okay, ganito lang po yan. No? Ito yung mga rankings natin. Bronze, 2 personally enrolled. Silver, you only need 20 in team. Dagdagan mo yung bronze mo ng 3. And then total 20 in team, you're silver. Gold, yan, 30 personally enrolled. And total 100 in team. Ngayon, kung wala kang 30 personally enrolled, go with the second option. Gawin mong silver, yung bronze mo, total 100. So, ibig sabihin, pati sa ilalim, counted yon. Platinum, gawin mong gold yung 3 mo, and then total 500 in team. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay malupet, super lupet, na kayang mag-sponsor ng 100 people dahil ang dami mong community, then go for another way, 100 people plus 500 in team. And pag diamond, gawin mo lang platinum yung 3 gold mo plus total 2,500. Ngayon, kung wala kang ma-produce na platinum, then go for the power of 5 na laging sinasabi ni Coach Fernan. No? Or go for as many directs as you want. Counted lahat. Pag wala kang mapapromote na platinum, basta counted yan lahat. Not more than 500 per leg. No? Merong limit per leg para masuportahan mo yung iba. So, ganun lang po yan. Okay, so sa Crown Diamond naman, total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller 3 legs. So ibig sabihin, hindi po yan ang gagaling sa isang leg. Halimbawa, may 5 direct ka, eto, malakas, nandito yung 20,000, ang counted dyan, 10,000 lang, yun yung limit. And then the rest of the 50,000, pupunin mo sa iba't ibang leg. Ganon po yun, pag Crown Diamond. Okay, achievable? Of course, say yes. Pag sinabi mong hindi, then hindi mo ma-achieve. Remember, whatever you say to yourself, whatever you say will always be true to yourself. Tatandaan nyo yan lagi. Kaya pag sinabi mong, ay, ang hirap mag-diamond, then it will always be true. Mahirapan ka talaga mag-diamond. Remember that. Okay? Yan. Whatever you say will always be true to yourself. Naku, diamond ako. Ganun lang. Manifest, di ba? So thank you. I hope you can join us. No, I'm not hoping that you can join us. I hope you would see the vision of Live Good at saka yung mission. And I would like to invite each one of you to join us. Lalo na yung mga hindi pa member. Yan. Ngayon, sa mga member na medyo hindi pa sold, it is time for you to really decide. And when we speak of deciding, yun talagang kahit na anong company na andyan, hindi ka matitinag, hindi ka lilingon-lingon because you've seen the value of Live Good. Huwag na ho kayo mag-alala. Kung merong mga bumibitaw, that's okay. Rejection is a part of the business. Ano ba? Diba? Ito lang yan eh. Yung mga nagre-reject sa'yo, okay lang. Always find crisis, always find opportunity in every crisis. Pag na-reject ka, what is the opportunity there? Then may opportunity ka na maghanap uli ng iba. In the same way, na pag maraming bumitaw sa team mo, is it okay? Of course. Nasa crisis ka? Of course. Anong opportunity? Ang opportunity dyan, you could also enroll another new blood. Ano natin ngayon, goal natin, ano yung tinatawag ni Coach Fernan, kumpas, no? Enroll 2 each week. Yun ang goal natin, di ba? Enroll 2 each week, new set of leaders, new set of affiliates, new set of team members, new perspective, new ideas. Diba? Yan. So, okay lang yon. Don't feel bad when may mga bumibitaw sa inyo. Kasi, for as long as malinaw sa inyo kung anong meron si Live Good, at malinaw sa inyo that what we have in Live Good is creating value, hindi ka masasaktan. Diba? Dapat ganun nyo tignan na yung mga bumibitaw may not be a part of the future na gusto mong i-build. Agree? Diba? You have to realize that, no? Yan. Yes, agree much. Yan. Natutunan ko din yan sa mentor ko. Sa mentor namin ni Coach Pinky o Michelle, no? Pag bumibitaw yung mga tao, it's okay. Sabi nga, paghandaan mo yan. Paghandaan mo yan dahil whether you like it or not, you will lose people. Yan. Sinabi ni Sir MJ Lopez. Actually, yan ang personal mentor natin. No? Yan. Kaya, I am trying to give this to you, to transfer this kayo para magkaroon kayo ng tamang pananaw, tamang perspective, tamang mindset. And you won't feel bad. We are not in a convincing game. Again, if they get it, they get it. If not, then wala tayong magagawa. Basta, ito yan. For as long as ginawa natin yung part natin, for as long as inaral mo talaga yung Live Good, at tama yung sinasabi mong information. No? Tama ha? Hindi huhay pa, for as long as tama yung sinasabi mong information and you do your best to be a good or the best information giver, at hindi pa rin nila nakuha yung value ng Live Good, please, it is not your fault. Maaring they are not a part of the future that you want to build. Okay? So tatandaan niyo po yan. Okay? And I want ang ating ang tag nito, roadmap sa Live Good, GPS lang. Get in. Once you get in, meaning you join, plug in, aralin ng negosyo, attend Zoom trainings, magkakaiba po ang presentation natin, matututo po kayo lahat dahil hindi po kami nilagay dito kung hindi po kami, ang tawag na to, ini-screen, finilter ni Coach Fernan. Kaya make sure that you attend the Zoom trainings. And of course, napaka-importante, stay in, pay your subscription. You will be easy staying in if you are plugged in. Kaya magkasama yan, plugging in and staying in. Pag inaral mo yung negosyo, nakita mo yung value, nakita mo ang mission and vision, staying in will not be difficult. Staying in will not be a struggle. Pero pag hindi mo inaral, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng Zoom, hindi ka naka-plug in, then you will find all the excuses in the world para mag-say, ay, nako, walang product ang subscription. Ay, nako, walang distribution center. Ay, nako, ang hirap. Excuses. So, let us not make excuses. Instead, let us make progress. Okay? Diba? Make progress instead of excuses. So, stay in and pay your subscription. Dahil po, you have a very huge future with Live Good. Okay? And I would like to conclude this info session with this quotation: the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Mas worse ka pa sa isang bulag kung may mata ka, pero hindi mo nakikita ang vision ng company, ng Live Good. And ganito din yan, not only here, even in the business, right? So you can only get a clear vision when you have clarity and purpose. Saan manggagaling yung clarity and purpose mo? Sa sarili mo. So first and foremost, know and be clear. Ano ba ang purpose mo? Bakit ka nag-join ng Live Good? Malinaw ba sa'yo? Bakit mo ginagawa ang Live Good? Naka-plug in ka ba? Nagre-resonate ka ba sa mission and vision ng Live Good? Pag malinaw yan sa'yo at malinaw yung purpose mo na gusto mong tumulong, because Live Good is a people helping people business. Once you are clear at my purpose ka and you are being intentional, then You will get to see the vision, and you will fall in love with Live Good, and you will be all in. So 3 things: take action, okay? Get things done, take action, take massive action, and do not sleep until you win it. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ang inyong presenter for tonight. Yan, Janet, and see you at the top.